Hi, welcome to a random Friday. Yeah, I'm out on a little hike today. So yeah, I wanted to go on a little hike today, and since I found out that you actually like me, like to watch stitching stuff outdoor, so I thought that since I have an unboxing from VIP Cross Stitch and I want to do a stitch with me, yeah, let's combine those two things and do that. So I'm 5 minutes from my home. So you can see the houses up there behind. That's actually where, in that, yeah, my neighborhood. So here is a path that I often go with Albert. It leads up to us. So, and here is a beautiful creek. You can hear the sound of it. Listen to that. Can't see anything, but it's down there. Yeah. There's water down there. Isn't that just a lovely sound? There's a lot of water in that. So yeah, I'm going over to the little table that is up here. Up there. There's a table. Somebody put the table there, and very convenient. So I'm going up there, and let's do an unboxing and a stitch with me. See if I can catch it on camera. Here it is, in the middle of absolutely nowhere. There's a desk. There's a table. I can sit there and do a unboxing. Let's sit with me. Let's see what the wind says. So I'm sitting down. The wind has picked up. It has been sunshine all day, and it seems, because it's also warm and humid, so it seems that maybe we are in for some thunder and rain again today. So let's see how it goes. I brought something to drink with a plug on, and I have brought scissor and needle and magnets here, and I have brought stuff I want to unbox. So yeah, let's go ahead. So I feel like there's stuff crawling on me. I have I did put on mosquito protection, so, but there's a lot of stuff underneath this table. Sticky stuff. Okay, so this one, this unboxing is from VIP Cross Stitch, and I have a discount code in case you want it. It's called Random 10, and it gives you 10%. Is that a crawling stuff, or is that a grass? Oh yeah. So today is Thursday. This video is going to be up Friday. Tomorrow we are going to be packing up for, we're going on a holiday. In that holiday house on that island in the north of Denmark. The island is called Læsø, and we are driving very early Saturday morning because we have to catch a ferry. I can't remember when, but before noon, and there is a 3-4 hour drive up there. So yeah, we're going very early Saturday morning, so tomorrow we're really going to pack, and yeah, so I thought it would be best to do the video today. So yeah, let's see. I have in the notes, so I have the prices and stuff for you. So first one I'm going to show you is these two. This is embroidery clips, 2 packs. You can get them in blue, light blue, and pink and white. So I chose white. And I actually had that big flamingo in mind, because there's so much fabric, so it could be nice to roll it up kind of and use this for this. So I actually have used them because I wanted to try them. So yeah, they are strong and they can really, yeah, bite over some big fabric. So yeah, I love them. I really love them. $2.30. And yeah, as I said, you can get them in pink and blue also. So next one I have is a needle minder. I can't remember which one I chose. I think there was 4 to choose from. I don't know. When I walked over here, as I said, 5 minutes walk or something. From one side of the little road to another came a duck mom with 6 ducklings, and they just marched over the road and down to the little lake. I tell you, it just warmed my heart to see those ducklings just racing after their mom and just plunge in that water. That's just nature, you know. Love that. So let us see here. This one is listed at $3.97. Just says needle minder. So let's see what I picked. Can remember. Oh, I can remember now. Look at this. Isn't it just adorable? It's a little cat. Oh man, I love that. I'm definitely going to, there's two magnets on the back, yeah. So this is going on my stitch, that's for sure. $3.97, that's an excellent price for this. I think I would have paid more for this, really. It's so cute, so adorable. It's kind of metal, I think. Isn't it cute? Is the plastic on foil on? I don't think there is. Oh, that's just, I love that. I love it. Ooh, I almost lost it. Is there some place there's iron? No, there's not. Oh, and I just need to, I put it in my little bag here, so, no, I'm not. No. I'm lying there. I don't think it will run away, fly away. So we have 2 cross stitches, and they're both 14 count, and they're both Joy Sunday. First one is something called Lemon. This one, it is called Bright Lemon, yeah. 33 by 41 centimeters, 14 count. At the website, this was listed at $7.60. The sun is coming back now a little bit. Nice warm today. Nice. Not too warm. Just the right amount of warmth. Yeah. So yeah, here's the image. It's so pretty. Lemons. I would love to have a lemon tree on my patio. I don't think we have the climate for it. Okay, so this one is 14 colors. We have 2 legends. We have one for the fabric and one for the chart. 14 colors. It's nice. The size in stitches is 140 by 184. Wind is picking up again. Always sideways wind. So yeah. Yep. Pattern, chart, clear, like it always is when it's goes under. This wants to fly away, so I'll put that on it. Okay, so here is the beautiful colors. That's really lemon color. That's the other beautiful yellows. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Gorgeous. Yeah. I love that. 14 colors. No black in this one. It's rare. No dark colors, only yellow lights colors. So here is the fabric. This is one of the new lovely fabrics here. Should I turn around so I get the wind from? I don't know. Let's just sit here. Yeah. So this is a very, very lovely one. I cannot see any back stitching. Is that right? Is there no back stitching in this one? Did I actually pick one without any back stitching? Must be. Yeah. You have half stitches, no back stitching. Stop blowing. I tried to move around, but just wouldn't. I couldn't because the screen went too dark. So we just have to get through this, and if the wind picks up even more, I will have to do the stitch with me when I get home, because this is silly. Okay, so we did show this, and this it was almost flying away before. Yeah, but here it is, the fabric. Very nice and soft, and it's clear, and there is back stitching. I think the orange, for example, is back. No, half stitches. There's no back stitching. There's half stitches. So some of the background. Let me see here. Yeah, you can see that lighter color that is behind the lemon tree, lemon branch there. That's half stitches. So really like that. This is a lovely one. So what did I say? $7.60. I think that's an excellent price for this. So nice, soft. Yes, I like this. So that was the first one. I put it away and find the other one. Feels like it's settled down a little bit with the wind. So let's see how it goes. I need something to drink. Woo, thirsty. I'm not hiking very long today. I did something to my knee yesterday. I was actually just sitting in my couch. Then I kind of twisted it. So, and something happened in my bad knee. You know, the one I got a total knee replacement. Sharp pain came, and so I felt like it hurt the rest of the night, evening. Today is much better, so I can hike, but I don't want to make it worse or anything. So, okay. So I have the other one here. It's Bulldog. Is that cute? Yeah, Bulldog too. Very cute. And the wind is picking up. It comes in waves. Interested to see how the sound is when I get home. All I can hear is okay, let's take it out. So yeah, here it is. Oh my goodness, is that not cute? It's a French bull, or is it a Bulldog puppy maybe? Or is it French? I cannot remember how French Bulldog looks. I think this is a English Bulldog, but I'm not sure. Anyway, I love them. The place we lived before, there were some of the neighbors that had an English Bulldog. She was so sweet. Oh man. Okay, so this Bulldog is 37 by 47 centimeters, and it's 14 count, and it's stamped. And on the website it is listed at $11.57. That's a great price, I think, for this beautiful. I think these are both from the new arrivals. Okay, here is another little picture. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Adorable. 164 by 217, so it's bigger than the orange, the lemon stuff. And here you can see we have back stitching. Yeah, so we have back stitching. Let's see it like that. And again we have 2 legend. I love it. One for the chart, one for the fabric. Great. 60 colors. 60, not 16. 60 colors. Oh man. Yeah, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors for back stitching. Full stitch, yeah. Back stitching and full stitch. Those are what we have. Take a look at the colors. There must be 2 of these cards. Yeah, there are 2 cards. Separate them. So from 1 to 30 comes these. A lot of blue and purple I can see. Look at that. That's so pretty. A lot of beautiful greens and blues in this one. And look at those purples down here. Pink. Beautiful. And this one was from 31 till 60. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Yeah, and we have 2 needles attached here. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful colors. Beautiful, beautiful colors. And it's so soft and shiny. Yeah. I love that. So 60 of those. I thought there was a bug, and again there was just a grass. Pull that up at the root. I'm strong. Okay, so here's the fabric. Oh my goodness, this is clear. Man, this is beautiful. Look at this. Taking a hair out of my eye. Wow. Look at the puppy. Bulldog. Oh, I love that. That's amazing. I love it. And the symbols are fine. A little bit smushed here, I think. Up in this area there. Again, all of those red ones. But I really think they did a very good job with this. A little bit smushed, yeah, I have to say, but I'm definitely going to do this one at one point. Fabric is very nice. And yeah, of course it's serge and everything like Joy Sunday always is. Butterfly. Oh man, that was pretty. Come back. No, doesn't want to. I have a bug. Go away, you. I don't like bugs. Yeah, I think it's an oak tree. I'm sitting under a big oak tree. I'm not sure. Could be. It's big trees, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so that was the unboxing. The butterfly again. Did you see it? It's so pretty. Come and sit down with me, little butterfly. So, yeah. We had... I need the prices. Where did you go? Here they are. Yep, we have lemon, $7.60, and we have Bulldog, $11.57. I understand why this is more expensive. Very beautiful. And we have the clips, 2 pieces in one pack for $2.30. I have a very, very sad announcement. I've lost my little needle minder. I'm so bummed. And you know, look here how high the grass is. I have looked and looked and looked everywhere, but it's just impossible to find anything in that high grass. So I'm so sorry. At least you got to see it, and I'm going to buy it. Absolutely. I have a discount code. I have my own discount code, so I'm going to buy it. Oh man. I put it on top of these clams, and I wanted to show you the clams. And no, I have to have this way, I think, for the light. Yeah. I want to show the clams, and apparently it flew away. I did something like this and it flew off. And I tried to look. Of course, I will look over here again one last time before I go home. But I'm so bummed. I was looking forward so much for this little cute kitty. I'm going to buy it again. Yes, if I can find it. Okay, but the clams was, did I say that? I don't know. It's a new video though, a new recording, but I had to stop the other one. Yeah, I think I said it, $2.30. And needle minder, which I cannot show you, but yeah, I showed you in the beginning, $3.97. I miss it already. Yeah. Okay, so let's do a stitch with me. I'm going to stitch on the Bulldog because I think it is adorable. I'm going to put the rest in my backpack so that it will not disappear also. I can't stop looking for it, being everywhere. The problem is if it has landed with the black side up, very difficult to see. If it's landed with the pink up, I might have a chance, but let's see. So yeah, I have brought a scissor, and I have brought a couple of needles and a little magnet. Ordinary magnet. Can you tell? A little bit pissed. Yeah. Okay. So I will attach the magnet here and the needles here. I'm ready. And now I will I'll see if I can arrange the camera so that you can see what I'm stitching. I don't know how this will work out, but let's try. So I've chosen to stitch on the ear. So yellow is number 24. I even don't know even what color it is. It's a very boring brown. Sorry. And let's take a needle. I think I'm going for a big needle today. Yeah. I'm struggling to get over the fact that I lost my little needle minder. Isn't that silly? It's just it's not like I lost a kitty. It's just a needle minder, and I can get it again if I want. So just annoying. sometimes you experience things with one, I don't know, maybe that's crazy, but I sometimes feel that you things happen to you for the one and only purpose is that you learn from it, and that you learn how to tackle that. You know what I mean? So let's see if this can work. So where am I? Where should I be? Oh man, the wind. I'm so looking forward to my hair. The front hair is long enough to get behind my ears. Right now it's not, and it's so annoying. I cannot find that hair. Oh, here it is. Okay. So yeah, I'm sorry, this is going to be not good, but let's try it. I'm using 2 strands, so I don't know if the wind goes in the microphone. I have no idea. I swear it was there was just a little breeze when I walked from home, and the minute I sat down here, the wind picked up. I don't know. Is there somebody else trying to tell me that I should not do the video today? It's really not. I lost my needle miner. The wind is crazy. Yeah. The next thing is it's going to pour down rain, and it's going to smush this little bulldog. Okay, but it is what it is. I will not let it get to me. I think the whole day has been kind of stressed for me. I'm really not supposed to, but I was doing one video this morning that will go up next Friday, I think, or maybe Wednesday, I don't know, next week anyway, when I am away holiday. And I did it with my laptop, and things just kept happening. My microphone, my big Blue Yeti one, I have it in a boom arm, I think it's called. It just all of a sudden dropped to the floor with a very loud bang, I swear. But it jumped in the air. It was so scared, and me too. So, and of course I had to stop the video because there was no sound. So, and later on, so one time before, I had to stop it also. So yeah, I had ended up with 3 clips I have to put together to one, and I didn't have any editing program on my laptop. So I did have a couple, but there was something I installed a long time ago, and they didn't. I didn't have a license for them anymore, so I couldn't use them. And I thought I could put them together in YouTube, in the editing tool in YouTube, but I couldn't figure out how. Maybe you can, but I just couldn't figure out how. So I ended up finding a free software online. No, it was not online. You could download it for free and use it for free. So that's what I ended up doing, and I put it on my computer, a laptop, and so I had to use my limited brain power to figure out a new program, figure out how it works. Man, there was some days, things just happen. You start out with a day and think, I'm going to take it easy today. I'm going to relax. Yes, you may do a video, but it's just going to be one take. I'll just upload it, no edit, no stress. and it ends up being something completely different. And then I'm going to do this unboxing here because I really wanted a clean table when I leave for holiday Saturday. So when I leave, I have no unboxings whatsoever lying around. So I wanted to do that. So I thought, yeah, let's go for a walk and do this. Oh man, I probably should have stayed at home and just sat on the couch and stitched. That's just how it is. So yeah, I think I have touched something with my hands that's not good, because my chin is starting to itch a little bit, and I have been searching for that little needle minder, and I probably touched something I shouldn't have, because it's like it's itching on my chin now. Okay, so if this is be a short one, that's because I have to go home and take care of that, whatever it is. Oh man, it's really not my day today. There's pigeon in the tree. Right before I heard a red kite. It has a funny whistle to it, and when it's calling. Yeah. I tell you, that little duck mom with the ducklings, that was just so cute. I smile. I'm gonna keep thinking of that. Then I will smile for the rest of the day. Ouch. My finger, I swear there's holes in my fingers. I have stitched with a little too pointy needle, so I stab myself over and over again. It's fine. I just have to. Sometimes you just have to learn how to deal with stuff that happens to you, and it's not always easy. Sometimes things can be very frustrating. So this will be the last video for a week. I'm doing more than a week doing. So it's just off in the holidays house with my husband and daughter and 2 grandchildren. She also has a very bad day yesterday. She sent a picture, her and her 2 children. Wind is picking up. I have to make sure it doesn't fly away. Let's try a little bit again. Yeah, she sent a picture of they were out somewhere where there was somewhere where the kids could row in a rowing boat. I'm not sure that's the name, but I'm saying it anyway. And the picture she sent, Anna is sitting in the little boat with no oars. Is that oars? I don't know. The one you are paddling with. She lost it, and it was in the little lake there. You could see it floating around, and she couldn't reach it. So she sent that, and I put in a laughing smiley, and then I think half an hour went, and my daughter called me from Anna's phone, my granddaughter's phone. Oh man, my daughter fell in the lake when she tried to get that thing from to Anna, so she could row in. Man, something just plunged in the water. I don't know, maybe there's fishes in the water. So yeah, I have to turn it around because I can't figure out to stitch otherwise. So let's see if we can get it to kind of behave a little bit so that you can see something. I don't know, can you see something here? Maybe you can. Yeah. So yeah, she simply fell in the water when that happened. And in her pocket she had her phone, her car key, you know, that automatic lock you have, and she had her new shoes on. She had just, it was the first time she was wearing the new shoes, and she was soaked, of course. So she couldn't use automatic thing for to unlock the car. Luckily there was also a normal key, so she could at least get into her car. Her phone was completely dead, and the only phone she had was Anna's. It was a very old iPhone, I think, with parent lock on it. I'm not sure if that is what it's called, but when you're a parent you can lock your child's phone so that they can not do stupid things, you know. And she had locked it, but to unlock it she she needed her own phone. I tell you, I was really biting my lip to not laugh out, because what a frustrating situation, man. But yeah, I'm sure she learned something. So they went for shopping a new phone yesterday. She had saved up for it, so that's good. I don't. So we spend our money traveling and stuff. Yeah, so. But she really needed a new phone anyway, so it was just a matter of time when, and that's the same for me. One day soon it is going to not work completely anymore. I'm just ending this thread here. Yeah. So, okay. So should we take a new color? It is. Oops. Let's see how beautiful it is. What about the tongue? Nice red one. Down here. Let's see. I think that this number 51 should be 51. That is a plus sign. Yeah. See, this area is where there's a little bit of smudging. Yeah, a little bit of smudging. I think I need to refer to the chart for that one. There's a pink one here, 44. Also, there's something in the ear that is the red one. Maybe we can do that. How about that? That here, maybe the green. What is that? I have to turn it around. Is that a green toot? Number 2? Is there something like that? No, there's not. So we have a Y, upside down Y. I think it's an arrow. Arrow. Yeah, I think it is. So let's see. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, upside down arrow, I think. Oh, we do have a number 2 that is green. So maybe it is. think I need to check the chart. What it is. So we're looking at that. That is number 8. Yep, that is the number 2. So number 8, going for number 8. Let's see what color it is before I say anything. That's a pink one. Yeah, let's do a pink one. Let me see it here. Pink one, number 8. That's a very dusty pink, kind of. So yeah, by the way, I really want to thank you all for your reaction and your comments and everything for the video yesterday. And I'm so grateful that you were all okay with my changes and that you applauded, really. So I'm very happy about that, because in the long run it's really going to make a change for me for the better, so that I will not be as stressed. Today's an exception. Oh man. In Denmark we call it Tycho Brahe Day. Tycho Brahe. He's a guy. Some reason there's bad luck about him, so it's fine. I think it is what it is with that magnet. It's just stuff just happens. So let's just get through that day, right? Some days are just like that. So I'm just curious if you can see anything. Yeah, I think you can. So I'm stitching here on symbol that looks like a number 2 with color 8, and that is a number 316. So now the wind is picking up. I'm hanging on to all my stuff here. I don't want it to fly away, please. I've lost enough today. Clinging to. I don't know if the wind is going in the camera. The microphone. So I'm yeah, I wanted to say, I think I wait till the wind is. Yeah, so thank you very much, really, from the bottom of my heart. I'm very grateful, and looking forward to it. I have just been sorting out my whips today, and because I'm not going to have that big rotation anymore. So I sorted it out and I looked at them all, and that is what is going in a video next week. So yeah, something to look at while I am away. I was thinking about not doing anything before, but I decided that I wanted to, because I wanted to have this out of the way, this unboxing here. And yeah, if I haven't said so, thank you to VIPCROSSSTITCH. So windy. Oh, I think I'm just going to take a nap here. It's so windy. Yep, let's do this thread, and so that if it's rain, it's kind of coming more and more clouds, so maybe rain is on the way, and it would be nice to be home when that happens. Yeah, thank you to VIP Cross Stitch for sending these to me. VIP Cross Stitch is actually one of my favorites. I think they have a very big selection. I don't know about their prices, but they always have some kind of discount code you can use. That's nice. Behind me there's a path. If you go there and you go up towards a little wood, there's also a table up there. Yeah, like this I'm sitting at now. The problem is that you can only face out, look out towards the fields, and the sun is, the light comes from there, so it means the screen is completely dark. So I had to give that up last time I was up there. That was the first place I actually tried, because I love it up there. It's really nice, so quiet, and yeah, the tiny forest wood. What's the difference between a forest and a wood? Maybe it's the size, I don't know. I can't remember if I told you last weekend we actually had guests over for wine in the evening. We don't normally do that because my head can't take it much for long. But I was in a very good mood that day, and I felt like I had a lot of energy. So I thought, why not? Why not? So we invited a couple from our neighbors. Aeroplanes coming over. I think it's passing, so let's continue. Yeah, we invited a couple of our neighbors, and my friend. They live at this time of the year. They live in no, I haven't got the word for it, but it's a garden. There's a lot of gardens, and people can live there during the summer. Small houses. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of hard to explain when you don't have the right word for it, but it's very close to where we live. So, and she also just got early retirement, almost the same thing as me, not quite the same, but yeah. So she don't go out much like me, but it was like everything just clicked, and I rang up and asked if they would like to come over for a glass of wine along with some neighbors. And yes, she was actually also full of energy, so they came, and the neighbor came, and it was so nice, so nice. We talked, and it was late evening before my neighbor went home. So I was getting tired there, I have to admit. I was getting tired. I missed the stitches. Oh, but yeah, it was by our neighbor, and I don't know them that well. I've only talked with both the couple, the guy and girl, a little bit younger than us. They're so nice. Oh man, the wind. Oh, it's going down a little bit, the wind again. Comes and goes in waves. I think I may have yawned a couple of times. Yeah, when it was getting late, and I didn't mean to. It's not like I was yawning by purpose and just saying. I'm actually sitting there where I usually put down my clothes when I go to bed. Or yeah, we're going to bed now. Can you log up when you leave? It's not like that. I was just tired, so I don't know. It was shortly after that they got up and said thank you for tonight, and it was so nice. We talked with them the day before, yes, the day after, and yeah, they really have a nice time. So gladly do it again. So that's nice. But it's going to take a while, be a while, because I'm not in that mood very often. Nope, I'm not. Just sometimes. It's rare. Because I have a plug in my hair. Yeah, it's rare. It's fine. It is what it is, and I have come to that acceptance. But when I kind of feel that I really have energy and I'm in the mood to meet people and be with people, then I really take it. Yeah, I take it, and I just enjoy that day. So we sat on the patio, and just so nice. Sat in kind of a circle with a table in the middle, and we just have wine and talked. Yeah. Nice sometimes do things like that. I said to my husband, it was so nice. I kind of really felt normal for once. I'm scared that the wind is going in, so I will end this here. And see, this is what I stitched in the ear. Brown and a little of that nice dusty pink there. So yeah, I will end that and be right back. Okay, so got a little stitch with me today. Oh man, I have all odds against me I think today, but yeah, got the best out of it, right? So yeah, we did a little thing in the ear. Yeah, isn't it just adorable? I love it, I love it, I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, VIP CrossStitch, for sending this one to me. He is just the most adorable little guy ever. So yeah, and thank you for watching. I hope you'll have an amazing weekend, and thank you so much for watching and being you, and yeah, speak to you in the next one. I will maybe do a little bit teeny tiny video from the holiday house, so you can see that, or at least some pictures. I don't know, let's see. But take care and happy stitching. Bye bye. I wanted to show you. I found it. I found it. It was right under the table here. Underneath here. Oh, thank you so much. So yeah, I found it. Oh man, so cute. Thank you for watching. I am happy now, and I hope you liked the video. And if so, please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe and like if you want. So yeah, speak to you in the next one. Take care and happy stitching. Ow, my finger cramps. Bye bye.